This is the weather forecast video for Friday, June the 10th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image. From last evening, you can see a complex of thunderstorms over the state of Iowa, with another frontal system over New England into the middle Atlantic states. Otherwise, the rest of the nation is fairly quiet. The watch morning map from just before 1 in the morning. The severe thunderstorm watch over the southern part of the state was until 4 in the morning. The flash flood watch over the southern half of the state was until 7 in the morning. There's been several flash flood warnings across the state, but the rest of the nation is quiet. Here's the severe weather risk for today and tonight. A slight risk of severe weather clips the southeastern corner of the state. Otherwise, the slight risk extends from Oklahoma through southeastern Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, into western Pennsylvania and southern lower Michigan. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock. This constitutes the fairly heavy rain that has fallen during the overnight hours and into the morning hours, and as you can see, most of the rain you see on this thing has fallen. So let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see a Fort Max over South Dakota with a west-southwesterly flow aloft as the ridge begins to break down over the south surface. The main moisture will be east of the state, with maybe some widely scattered showers and maybe a thunderstorm Friday afternoon into the evening, but it should be clearing by Saturday. Here is the aforementioned day, Saturday. You can see it will be clearing and still fairly cool, but not as cool as these cloudier days. Highs will likely be in the 70s to near 80. Sunday will be fairly dry most of the day, but as you can see, by Sunday afternoon, another round of showers and thunderstorms comes in, with a frontal system coming in from the southwest. Monday begins to overspread at least the western half of the state, with chances of showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures will be in the lower 80s. Tuesday, same story. There'll be at least a chance of showers and thunderstorms. It will become a bit warmer and a bit more humid as we go along into next week. By Wednesday, there's still a chance of showers and thunderstorms. It'll be a slight risk or slight chance and widely scattered, but otherwise it should remain quiet. Into Thursday, looks to be fairly quiet. There can't rule out an isolated shower or storm on this day either. We head to a week from today, Friday. You can see overall there is a ridge over the center part of the country, but there's a bit of a vortex over the Missouri River Valley, and at the surface you can see a frontal system extending from the south up through the Missouri Valley and into the northern plains, where there could be a threat of some showers and thunderstorms by that time. We move ahead into Voodoo country. Here's June the 20th. A fairly zonal flow across the country with fast-moving storm systems, including one over the northern and western Great Lakes, and that could bring possibly a shower or storm along it, with most of the storms remaining over the northern half of the country. And at the end of the forecast period, on June the 25th, you can see the ridge is back over the south and western part of the country and over Florida. Otherwise, it looks fairly quiet outside of a possible tropical system in the Gulf. It looks fairly dry as we're nearing the end of the month of June by this point. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.